What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering a client's logo onto the dad hat. And also, on a side note, I just want to say, guys, I appreciate you guys for helping me out with the channel and everything. We just recently hit that 1,000 subscribers. Yes, you can go ahead and clap it up. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for everyone who supported or who is and still are supporting. Thank you for that. And once again, thank you guys for talking with me and also helping me out through this journey on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys. But without further ado, we are going to jump ahead and get started with the video. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Also, as always, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, go ahead and share the video as well. Thank you, guys. Let's get it started. About to go ahead and just hoop this real quick. Not going to show too much detail. If you really want to see everything and how to hoop the hat, check out the link at the top of the video. You can always click it and it'll show you how I hooped the hat. Right now I'm just doing a quick run through just to get everything started. So like I said, if you do want to learn how, it is a video on that, so definitely check that out. Okay, so we have that on. Now we just have to make sure that it's straight. Try to line it up. Eyeball it. Just to make sure everything is straight and good. Over a little bit more. Perfect. Alrighty, we are all set. Everything is moving. Everything looks good. Also, for this customer's logo, they do fishing. So if you are in the Cleveland area and possibly other areas that can have fish shipped, they do catch the walleye fish. So if you inquire any fish that you might want, contact them. I will have their Instagram in the description below. So that's what they do. They catch fish and they look pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie. So definitely go in the description below, check out their Instagram, search around, browse, and just see what you can find. So I appreciate that. Go ahead, guys, and support. Down in the comment section, guys, let me know if you like the videos as far as the close-ups, or do you like it kind of farther back to see the whole hat and everything? Put that down in the comment section below, guys. Let me know, and I'll definitely change that. Looking good, looking good. Everything coming out good so far, looking real clean. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Go ahead, put your opinions, and go ahead and, you know, smash that like button. Go ahead. Now this part right here is the fishing rod. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite parts of the design. It came out excellent and it looks just like the fishing rod, and it's so dope with the hook on the end. That came out great as well. So I do digitize my own files. I do have a video up, and that will also be in the top right corner if you want to go check that out as well. So while that's stitching out, these are the other hats that will have the logo on it as well. Pink. It's going to be purple. And this one, which is like a Timberland color. So these will be the hats that will be embroidered with the same logo as this hat right here that I'm doing now. So this next color is white, of course, as you can see. All of the hats will have different colors. So they picked their own colors, and that's what I'll be doing. So, as always, I do show you the final result on all the hats at the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned for that. All right. So we are done with the video. So let's go ahead and put it back on the hoop bracket and show you guys the final result. So definitely stay tuned. Okay, take our clamps off. Try to make sure I keep these together. Take that off. And of course, stabilizer, take that out as well. Okay, here we have it, the final result. A couple of ends and pieces that I'm going to clip, as you can see right there. So I will be clipping those, but let me know what you guys think. Does it look like a fish? Let me know down in the comment section below. How did it come out? Does it look good? Yes, no, maybe so. So there will be a couple of pieces that will get clipped. Like I said, the just these pieces, small pieces of thread. I'm going to clip all of that. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Like I said, I will show you guys the final result of all 4 hats. So once again, it's your boy Dion with Custom Designs. And as always, guys, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.